Hello, and welcome to eToll-Free. This video will be about how to set up a campaigns transfer preset in the ViciDial phone system. What is a transfer preset? A transfer preset setup can be useful if you need to add more than 5 transfer numbers, or you need to add a name code for each of your transfer numbers. Let's get started. Log into your ViciDial admin dashboard. Then, go to Campaigns. Campaigns Main. Then, click Modify. First, we need to enable the transfer preset. Choose Enable under the Transfer Preset field. Then, Save Changes. Now, go to the Preset submenu on the left. Click Modify to the campaign that you just enabled this function. Under Preset Name, type in the name you want to call this transfer number setup. This will also be the name that the agents will see in the agent interface when they click the preset button. Then, the 10-digit number under Number. Now the DTMF number, if you need to add any. Hide Number field will let you hide the transfer phone number. Then, click Submit. For any other eDialer concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly eToll-Free customer service by going to our website and clicking the chat icon at the bottom right of the page. Thank you for choosing eToll-Free's eDialer system.